Pow wow, yo, yippee, yay, guys. Power number 20, and I'm super excited to be with you guys. As always, we're going to dig down to love the community, then talk about what's happening with SwissBorg Network, with some update regarding the cards, talking about the Protect and Choose our dear CHSB token holder, and talk about the highly anticipated Auto-invest DCA dollars cost average, how to bring the healthy habits in order to bring wealthy manners. As you guys know, my name is Cyrus Fazel. I'm the proud founder and CEO of SwissBorg, always here to serve you and hopefully many more to come. You're not expecting that one. Question of the week. Will the Series A stocks we bought be shown in the SB app at a certain point? Yes, it is in the preps. I haven't seen screens so far, so there's still some work to be done. If I heard correctly, next Tuesday, the capital increase will have happened because it takes times for essentially all the paperwork to be done. And finally, the capital increase will be done. So 21,270,000 Swiss francs will go to XBorg SA. We'll be fully able to use it in the best way possible as we've promised. So again, many thanks for this, and it's a great update. And yes, Stremp will make it happen. You'll get the shares in the app. That won't be tradable, of course, at the first stance, but then we're looking in ways how this could potentially be a way that people could accumulate or essentially be able to essentially sell whatever they need to sell. You've asked for it, and we have shipped it. I'm extremely excited to let you guys know that Auto-invest is about to happen for a small amount of users, and obviously then we'll deploy it to more and more different users as things goes on. And what I like the most about this is how to build healthy habits in order to become wealthy. And DCA, you all know what it is, dollar cost average, the ability to always be in the market, like eating healthy every day, doing some exercise every day, despite the weather conditions. And this is exactly what it is. It's to be in the game all in all. But in order to do that, you always have to buy and sell, and that's complicated. Here, finally, we came with a solution with the only Auto-invest that could exchange anything to anything and have this on a daily, weekly, yearly basis. It's really you to fix what is how much amount you want to use, and then tries the frequency out of it. One of the most important investment strategy of all time. It obviously avoids emotional decisions on the short-term markets. So I think this is something enables to have really potential high returns for the long run, especially now where essentially valuations are low. It builds as well discipline for it to stick to the long-term game. And I've been using it for the last 2 weeks. It's amazing. I really like it. And I'm pretty sure that this will enable you guys to be a better trader, a better investor, and a wealthier and better person. XBorg, guys, as you know, XBorg has been delayed on the app for different reasons. Next week, we hopefully will get it. But I just heard that right today, in just a few minutes, over $500,000 was invested into XBorg. It was quite crazy. So yeah, as you can see, 500,000, $500,000 target in 33 minutes is just crazy. The vault will stay open for 2 weeks, $3,000 guaranteed allocation per Prometheus NFT. So I know I have it in Prometheus NFT, so I will definitely go to buy some, which is really, really cool. Talking about filled up and great things, the Guardians of CHSB, 790,000 CHSB, and the open session is going to happen on the 19th of May, and the closing of the survey is going to happen on the 28th of May. So, and the snapshot and calculation will happen between the 29th of May to the June 4th, and distribution and town hall will happen on the 5th to the 8th of June. And it's always the same. It's going to be about burn, rewards, safety net, and Guardians. We require your help on governance and about the next thematic. So more info to come. Of course, it's not only to decide about what the thematic, but how to really participate in the governance models of how we, SwissBorg, could take a step back, look what's the best, what we love the most, and make sure that all of these beautiful tokens, the next thematics, goes to all our Borgers and to the future Borgers. Chart of the week, there's some nice news regarding the hero score. We have 13,000 people that have been essentially been part of it. And essentially, that presents 20% of the total AUM that we have at SwissBorg. So it's quite a big number when you think about it. In terms of population, there is some people that has been with us for a long time. So that's essentially over 11% of people in the hero score. Less than from 2 to 2 years and a half, it's 40%. So essentially 50% belongs to people that been with us since 2 years or before that, which is really nice to see. But what you see on the other part is that we do have half other people that are here for less than 2 years, and even 15% that have been with us less than 6 months. So this is something that's very interesting. It might be new people into crypto, just people that really like the idea, but we're seeing there is a very nice traction despite the fact that it's still not as obvious, right? So I think this is something that's very nice. Still going crazy in terms of number of premium, essentially upgrades and new premium, which is 677, double of what is usually. However, and we're close to 210 million finally in CHSB staked, which is great. But the rest is pretty much the same thing. And then the price has fell down with the markets, unfortunately, which brings us to the community index. And it's a really bad one, guys. Cast your vote, but it's really, really bad. All-time lows for us this week, 2.3. CHSB doing okay-ish. Volume in the app, okay-ish. Active activity, slightly negative. And the rest is bigger negative. But, there's good times and there's hard times. Next week has to be bigger. Just bring up the muscles, the brain, and the love in order to bring that to the next stage. So as guys, be wealthy, be healthy, love our CHSB, and now our equity. Take care, guys. Bye.
Through SwissBorg, all assets will have a fiat gateway. And here is the thing.
Premium features gives you zero fee trading.
It's an amazing fiat gateway.